If you don't subscribe,
I'm gonna come to you.
Yeah, based on the composure,
Yeah.
that who's the winner,
Yeah.
and the loser has to step out of the car and shout, "I love Justin Trudeau."
okay.
Yeah. So based on the composure, I would say we clearly have a winner.
Who's the winner?
That's like, look at him, bro. So you have to get out of the car. Shout.
I love Trudeau.
वो आंटियां भी देख रही है देखते हैं।
Oh no.
No.
Okay.
पूरा खा रहा है साहब पूरा।
Oh my god.
पूरा पूरा।
Hiccups.
आह,
Hiccup.